Here is the flowchart for my website that I used as a guideline in its creation. While I did not follow it exactly, it was helpful to refer to while creating the site. Welcome to my student-centered website. This site consists of 3 activities to assist students with their foundational reading skills. The first activity teaches students how to clap out the syllables of multisyllable words. The second teaches the students how to be word detectives using a variety of decoding strategies. And the third teaches the students how to use picture clues to fill in missing parts of a text. After learning the information for each task, the students have the opportunity to practice their skills. The goals and objectives for this site have been included on the introduction page. There are 3 goals. I can count the syllables of multisyllable words. I can use decoding strategies to pronounce tricky words correctly. I can use word recognition strategies to match words with their corresponding pictures. Each task meets one of these goals. The results I would want to have reached at the end of using this website is for students to be familiar with more strategies to help their reading skills. This is especially important for young learners as it makes them more independent readers. The content of this website is important for students because it provides them with a platform to practice necessary reading skills. Each task I have created meets these kindergarten standards, which have also been included on the introduction page. This is more for the educators or parents' understanding of the site. This ensures they have chosen a site that will be beneficial for their students. On this site, I have incorporated a variety of learning strategies to ensure the success of all students. This has been done through the use of videos, audio, images, and text to meet the needs of diverse learners. To best use this site, I suggest the student, probably with adult assistance, should read through the introduction, watch the fun videos, and then proceed through each of the tasks. As previously mentioned, each task provides content information and then opportunities for the students to practice. To keep this website current, I believe it would be beneficial to include more instructional videos made by myself about the information being taught. This will be done as often as necessary. Here's the flowchart for this part of my website. As mentioned with the student website, I did not follow it exactly, but used it more as a guideline throughout the creation of this site. Welcome to my professional development website. This site consists of a tutorial on incorporating iPads in the classroom, specifically how to choose appropriate applications for student success. The participants are provided with a brief introduction, a literature review, and reasoning as to why these devices are beneficial for students. Next, I have included a video I created with checkpoints throughout. The goals and objectives for this site have been included on the introduction page. The completion of this workshop meets these goals. The results I would want to have reached at the end of using this website would be for the participants to be able to successfully choose an application on an iPad and incorporate it into a lesson for student success. The content of the site is important because educators must be familiar with the technology students use in their everyday lives. Incorporating this technology in the classroom allows the students to make connections and increases their motivation and achievement. Using technology relates to the ISTE standards for both students and teachers. To best use this site, I suggest the educator should read through the introduction page, watch the videos, and then proceed to the actual lesson. Here, they should watch the video, participate during the checkpoints, and then research an application to be used in their own classroom for a lesson. The educator can also download a handout of the information taught to use when not on the site. Lastly, the educators have the opportunity to complete a workshop evaluation, providing me with the feedback on the site. To keep this website current, I will continue to add information on other technology tools that could be incorporated in the classroom. This will be done as often as necessary and include videos and quizzes. That sums up my websites. I look forward to hearing your feedback and answering any questions you may have.